don't go from this to this without making a fair bit of mess. And before I could paint the second coat, there was a major cleanup operation. Masonry rollers are specially designed for external walls, but their long pile means they catch all of the rogue pebble dash that comes off the wall. And it's not the only mess I made. I needed to wash the pipes too. Since I'm up here, I decided to check my guttering for missing tiles and dead birds. Looking splendid. Here's the brushes that I used. A masonry roller, a small roller for getting behind the pipes, a masonry brush, and a little brush for details. Once coat 2 was done, it was just a case of chipping off any paint spatter and screwing things back onto the wall. Where did that go? Oh look, it's hopped off the wall. It's funny because it's called a hopper. Oh, it's not funny when you gotta explain it. I even added some extra finishing touches. Many people have rightly asked me why I didn't just climb up the wall. And this is a bit awkward, but the truth is, I'm not actually Spider-Man. So the back and the front are done. But are we? Because I have got to do something about this front garden. How would you improve this space?